Hello guys, this is what I got. Um, this is called the ROVA um, Selfie drone, and I think you can get this for like $118. Probably cheaper now. But anyways, this thing is interesting because this thing got obstacle avoidance, and you can see here. And I think there's two companies that make this. I'm not too sure, but there's another company that make, but I forgot what the brand is. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. And the reason why this thing got my interest because apparently this thing comes with two batteries, and not only that, you also get pretty much the whole thing. It's like a combo deal already for the price. So I think it's worth it. It's 8 minutes flight time, but it says here, yeah, you got 8 minutes flight time, and you got, it's actually 1080p 4K. I'm sorry, when I say 4K, it's 1080p 60, and also the 30, and then you can do a 360 on this one too. And it can hold up it. I think it comes with a micro card already, and it's a 12 megapixels with a flashlight, so that's pretty interesting. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and then you can see here, this is what you get from the package. I think this one right here is bumper stoppers. Let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, this is your bumper stoppers, and you can go ahead and see it yourself. It comes with this nice hard case here. Quality, pretty decent quality, to be honest with you. For $100-something, you know, you would expect like, but now of course technology, you expect a lot of things. But anyway, so this is what comes inside the box here. Apparently, you got this guy here. You have obstacle avoidance on this drone. The reason why you want to say drone, because you got multiple, you know, pretty much do the app for the phone, and it pretty much smart. That's basically means. And it got that camera here from the bottom sensor. And I thought this one was a battery. It's not a battery, but you can see this is the battery here. So you get two of these that goes in here. And what else we got here? So you also get this one here too. So you get two batteries, and you get a hub, and you also get wow, they even recommend a 16 gig SD card. And what else? Got this Toshiba brand. Wow. So you get this here. Sorry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this up here. And you get this USB cables. Wow, what is this for? I think this one is for if you just want to go ahead and carry around with you. You could just you could just do this, you know, hang it in your backpack. I think this one probably goes in this piece right here. So that's pretty cool. They include that. But anyway, so this is what you get from the box. You get this guy, you get 2 batteries, and you get this one here. So wow, a lot for $100 something. And I'm gonna go ahead and look at the app and go from here. And if you didn't tune into my channel, go ahead and tune into my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate it.